The UK Space Agency has many ways in which it can promote the UK space sector. Sometimes we'll be focusing on individual bits of technology with one company. But the Infrastructure Fund takes us a whole leap forward, with companies like SpaceForge at the heart of that.
So here today at the UK Space Conference in Belfast, and we're announcing that we've won the SCIF funding programme. So this funding is vital for us to be able to not only expand as a space company, but also expand as a company that's moving into the world of manufacturing semiconductors in space.
Microgravity is an incredible environment to do things that literally can't be done on Earth.
This funding enables us to push forward with our plans to build the ForgeStar 2, which is really designed to help support future research and also move into production scale of new advanced materials made in space.
So the National Microgravity Research Centre is this incredible opportunity to build infrastructure in Cardiff, which SpaceForge will be overseeing, but other companies can also use.
Semiconductors are intrinsic to everything important that we're doing on Earth these days. And our vision of SpaceForge is, within 10 years, you're going to be interacting with something that has a space-made component in it.
By having a National Microgravity Research Centre, we're supporting companies like SpaceForge to really take the next leaps and push the boundaries of technology so that back on Earth we have the best quality semiconductors and technology powering our futures.